So why it's important to vote for the SEMA Board of Directors is your vote is your voice. You are in fact voting for your fellow employees, your co-workers, everybody that is represented by that vote. That vote is extremely powerful, but that vote will determine who sits on the Board of Directors. It's the Board of Directors that make the decisions that impact how we spend membership dues. We were a voice of change in repealing in California that ultimately ended up being a federal victory. Granted, it started at the state level. How important was that? Just look around and see what it's done in terms of the EV mandate being repealed, the impact that has had on jobs, lives, companies, and in fact the economy as a whole. Your vote will impact generations to come. I say that through my daughter's eyes. I want her to have the same rights I've enjoyed almost 40 years. You might be asking yourself who can vote. Every SEMA member company has a right to vote, and that vote happens through each company's primary contact. So it's important to find your primary contact and have them fill out the ballot during the election period.